It's like a little mustard bottle.
It's like a little mustard bottle.
Did you see that? He's smart. Outsmarted you.
Fish, gotta reel the fish in.
He has right. He said,
Did he break it? He said, I want to get it. It's my turn.
Are you fishing? I'm fishing and I can't get it.
Look at him. Look at him.
His little hand motion. Did you see
I
that?
know. Did you see
Hey,
that?
drop. Kodak, drop.
Kodak. Let
Kodak.
go.
Stop it.
Let go. Drop it.
Kodak,
Drop it.
drop.
Kodak.
Open your mouth. Be careful with your little mouth, but come on. Snap it in half. Yeah, honestly. Okay, got it.
Okay. Whoa.
Baby was trying to take the fishing pole. I thought it was Gloria. You
Look
too
at the
short.
baby.
You little first dog.
He's so weird.
Oh, baby, your hands are crying.
Ava, can I do it this time? Can I do it now?
No.
Ava, please.
Ava. Stop.
Stop. Des, stop.
Give me that.
No.
You're gonna hit the dog in the
face. That was Gloria.
Give it to somebody else.
Why? I wanted it.
You're making fun of him.
Exactly.
got it for him.
That doesn't matter. I wanted it.
She went and got it for you. You little turkey.
It's by your butt.
He jumped at nothing that time.
It's by your butt.
He seems a little
Hey!
Grab the gum.
Get that at your mouth.
And then you just throw it. That's amazing.
That was the way I'm playing catch.
Yeah.
I just realized he was a dog halfway through. After I was like, oh shit, what if he runs after it?
Hey, the weight is heavy.
I'm glad he didn't look back.
Little baby. Oh shit, you're dog. Oh, that would be a perfect picture. Getting him distracted with this.
Kelly jumps.
Oh,
He got it!
reel the fish in. You see, I caught a fish. Oh, I got it. Not the fish though.
Why is she walking like that?
Hey Taylor. Nevaeh going home? Oh, I can ask her. The window's down. Hi, Bebaduro.